Hello, video. I am going to discuss some numerical based on the three-phase delta and star connection. This problem is related to the delta connection, and it is given that the phase voltage here it is given as 400 volt, and impedance of the each phase is 20 plus J15 ohm. So here we can see that the line voltage and phase voltage for delta connection both are same. So for the delta connection, you can refer the link of the video 3 of this part. So impedance of this line is every phase is given as 20 plus J15 ohm. So it has been converted into its magnitude, and magnitude I have already discussed how you find the magnitude. So magnitude will be 20 square plus 15 square, and it is coming 25 ohm. So now in question it is required to find the line current. So first of all I am going to find the phase current. The phase current is here uh, from Ohm's law, phase voltage divided by impedance of the phase. Phase voltage is 400 volt, impedance of the phase is calculated 25 ohm. So it is divided by 25. So we get the value 16 ampere. Now 16 ampere is the current of each phase. Like phase A, 16 ampere. Phase B magnitude will be also 16 ampere, but angle will be 120 degree displaced, and phase current will of the C will be also equal to 16, and angle will be displaced by 240 with respect to this. So each phase is displaced by 120 degree angle. This has already discussed in part 3 of the delta connection. So we also know that line current is equal to root 3 times phase current for delta connection. So using this relation, it will be root 3 times 16. So 16 root 3 ampere will be flowing in every line, this line. We can see here. So this the current flowing will be here 16 times root 3. So here also the current will be same. Every line will have 16 root 3 current flowing in that line. Now we have second part, we have to find the power factor. So I have drawn a triangle. Here it is given 20, here it is given 15 ohm. So this will be 25. So applying the cos phi formula, cos theta will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is 20, hypotenuse 25. So we can cut it here. 4, it is 5. So it will be 0.8. Power factor will be lagging because here inductor is present. So power factor will be lagging. So now we have to find out the value of power. Third part is calculate the power in kilowatt. So power already I have written it VL, IL and cos phi. So VL is root 3, this is times VL line voltage and phase voltage for delta both is same. It is 40, 400, and line current always is calculated root 3. This is root 3 times 16. So this will be 3, and this will be after solving this we will get the value. It will be 12 and 12. This will be 3 and multiplied 1200 and multiplied by it 16. So we will get the power which is equal to, just multiplying it, we will get the power for 3 phase. It will be 16 to the 32, 16 and 3, 19. So power will be in kilowatt, we can convert it, this one, kilowatt power will be there. So this much power we are getting here, and same power we will get if we use the star connection. So this is for delta connection, and for delta connection our power is this much. So now we can find out the power by using the relation. This relation has been discussed here. So now we will see another problem based on the delta star, based on the star. So here one thing I forget to put here, power factor I have not multiplied. So you have to multiply it by power factor and multiply it by 0.8. So it will come 15.36 kilowatt, 15.36 kilowatt. It will be coming 15.36 kilowatt. Now we can solve the same problem by using a star connection also. So same problem I am going to solve by using a star connection. So I'm going to discuss the same problem by using a star connection. Impedance is again 20 plus j15 ohm, and line to line voltage is given as 400 volt. We have to find in first part line current. First part we have to find line current, and in second part we have to find power factor, and in third part we have to find the power in kilowatt, power in kilowatt. So let us see now how can we find this three part. So here line volt, here for a star connection, what we get for a star connection, our line voltage is equal to √3 times phase voltage. So our phase voltage will be here equal to Vp equal to VL by √3, and VL is how much equal to, and VL is here equal to line voltage is given as here 400 volt. So after dividing this, we will get it is 231 volt. So our phase voltage from here to here is calculated as 231 volt. So for each phase, the voltage will remain the same, but they are displaced from each other by 120 degree. So phase current will be equal to phase voltage divided by impedance of the phase. So phase voltage is our 231, and phase impedance already calculated, which is equal to 25. So after dividing it by 25, we will get it 9.24 ampere. So this current is calculated. Now we have to calculate power factor. Power factor will remain same, which already calculated, means here it is our 20 ohm and here it is 15 ohm. So again, this angle will remain the same. So here power factor, we will get the same value whatever we have already calculated. So cos phi will be again equal to 20 divided by 25, which is equal to 0.8 lagging. Now we have to find the third part, that is equal to power. So power, which we have already written √3 times VL multiplied by IL into cos phi. So after putting all this value √3 multiplied by line voltage is here how much, 400 volt, and line current already calculated here. The line current is and phase current both are same here. Line current and phase current in the star connection is same. So we have to put its value 9.24 and power factor is 0.8. So after multiplying this, we will get the same result whatever we have calculated for delta. So our power in the this connection will be equal to power here. Here I have taken so power will be, after solving this relation, we will get this value power which is equal to 5.12 kilowatt. So this much power here, power three phase will be equal to √3 VL, and IL cos phi is given here. So we will get the power which is equal to √3 times line voltage and line current multiplied by cos theta. So this is all about the delta and star